How to send documents on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to send documents on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and now just go to messages and select any chat you want here, like this one. And now just click this icon and then click documents, and after that here you will find your recent files on your phone, and that's it. And you can take it from this one, choose a file, click on it, and that's it. You will find your files. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.